Macintosh team.
Mm-hmm. Jesus.
Nope, it's just Steve.
Yeah, it's really good to see you, Steve.
Feel like it's good to see they got 8 players over here.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Steve Jobs.
What's your name?
Burl Smith.
Burl Smith.
Oh, sorry for the mess. We're just a bunch of degenerates, so.
It's okay. I like degenerates.
Yeah.
Who's your project lead?
Jeff Raskin. I don't know where he is.
Jeff Raskin. Okay, I'll deal with that. I'll be taking over now.
Sorry, taking over, like, the entire Macintosh project?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Where's your design team?